The Nomad Grill is an innovative portable grilling solution designed to bring high-quality cooking to any outdoor adventure. Compact yet powerful, this grill offers a unique combination of portability and performance, setting it apart in the world of outdoor cooking gear. Constructed with a sleek, durable aluminum body, it not only looks modern but is also built to withstand various weather conditions. One of its standout features is the foldable suitcase design, which makes it easy to transport and store. Weighing approximately 28 pounds, the Nomad Grill is light enough to carry but robust enough to provide a stable cooking experience. Its compact form opens up to reveal a spacious grilling surface, which can cook for up to 15 people when fully utilized. Inside, the Nomad Grill features premium cast iron grates that deliver exceptional heat retention and create that perfect, even sear on your food. These grates are designed to lock in flavor, making your outdoor meals rich and satisfying. Plus, the cooking surface is coated with a non-stick material, allowing for easier cleaning after your meal. Another key aspect of the Nomad Grill is its dual-zone cooking capabilities. The grill can be split into two separate zones, so you can cook multiple items at different temperatures all at the same time. This is perfect for grilling a variety of meats, veggies, or even warming buns without them burning. Additionally, the grill is designed to be charcoal-powered, providing that authentic smoky flavor many grilling enthusiasts love. Nomad includes a patented airflow system, which helps regulate the temperature with precision. This feature ensures consistent cooking throughout your session and makes it simple to reach high searing temperatures or maintain a gentle, steady heat for slow cooking. Lastly, the Nomad Grill prioritizes safety and sustainability. With cool-to-the-touch handles, you can safely maneuver it during and after grilling. And its efficient use of charcoal means you use less fuel, reducing waste while enjoying an eco-friendly cookout. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or just enjoying a backyard barbecue, the Nomad Grill brings quality, convenience, and versatility to the table, making it a top choice for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. The MiniBig trailer boat is a unique, versatile watercraft that brings together the comfort of a camper with the thrill of a boat. Compact yet spacious, this miniature marvel is perfect for adventurers who want the best of both worlds without the hassle of a larger setup. Let's dive into what makes the MiniBig such an innovative option. Built on a lightweight trailer, it's towable by most standard vehicles, allowing for easy transport to any waterside location. The design is compact yet functional, with a cozy interior that provides all the essentials, like a small kitchenette, seating that converts into a sleeping area, and even a pop-up roof for extra headroom and ventilation. This makes it perfect for extended stays by the lake or a weekend escape in nature. On the water, the MiniBig transforms into a capable boat. With a stable hull and an electric motor, it cruises quietly over calm waters, making it ideal for lakes, rivers, or sheltered bays. It's engineered to offer a smooth ride and lets you experience the serene beauty of nature from the water's perspective. Whether you're into fishing, swimming, or just drifting along, the MiniBig has got you covered. The appeal of the MiniBig trailer boat lies in its flexibility. It's not just a boat and not just a camper. It's both. And that means your adventure options are endless. Spend the day cruising on the water, then anchor near shore for a cozy evening under the stars. It's about as close as you can get to having a tiny floating home, bringing a sense of freedom that conventional boats or trailers just can't match. This remarkable trailer boat also caters to minimalists who appreciate clever, multifunctional designs that prioritize efficiency. Its layout maximizes space without sacrificing comfort, making it ideal for solo travelers, couples, or even small families seeking quality time outdoors. So, whether you're a weekend warrior or an aspiring full-time nomad, the MiniBig trailer boat is a fantastic way to experience land and water seamlessly. Lightweight, cute, and functional, it's the best of both worlds in one stylish package. Introducing the Climate Hydro Spray Pump, the ultimate portable water solution for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts. This innovative, battery-powered pump brings convenience to your hydration and washing needs, providing a continuous water flow with a simple push of a button. Unlike traditional manual pumps, the HydroSpray requires no manual effort, making it perfect for washing dishes, rinsing gear, or even taking a quick outdoor shower. The HydroSpray pump is compact yet capable, holding up to 10 liters of water, which is ample for various tasks around the campsite. It's powered by a rechargeable battery that provides up to an hour of continuous use on a single charge, ensuring you have reliable access to water throughout your adventures. With a USB-C charging port, recharging is quick and easy, so you're always ready for your next outing. One of the pump's standout features is its adjustable spray patterns, which allow you to customize the flow from a gentle mist to a more powerful stream. This versatility makes it ideal for a range of uses, whether you need a light spray for personal hygiene or a stronger flow for cleaning equipment. While designed to work with Klimat's water containers, it's also compatible with any soft-sided container, adding to its adaptability. Built for durability, the HydroSpray pump features a splash-resistant design that's tough enough to withstand rugged outdoor conditions. Lightweight, compact, and extremely practical, the Klimat HydroSpray pump transforms the way you manage water on the go, making it an essential tool for any outdoor experience. Introducing the Aquaforno Portable Barbecue, Smoker, Fire Pit, and Oven, the ultimate all-in-one outdoor cooking solution. Built with versatility in mind, the Aquaforno is designed to let you grill, smoke, bake, steam, and even use it as a fire pit for warmth on cool nights. Made from high-quality stainless steel, the Aquaforno is highly durable yet fully collapsible, making it perfect for on-the-go cooking, whether you're camping, tailgating, or just enjoying a backyard gathering. Its unique modular design allows for easy assembly and transport, and with multiple tiers, it can cook several dishes at once, including pizza, barbecue meats, and even stews. The built-in water boiler provides hot water for drinks or washing up, and an adjustable vent system lets you control heat levels precisely, perfect for everything from slow smoking to high-heat grilling. The Aquaforno's adaptability is unmatched. You can cook with wood, charcoal, or gas, depending on your needs. Easy to clean and incredibly efficient, the Aquaforno is all about bringing flavor and versatility wherever you go. If you're a fan of outdoor cooking, this compact powerhouse offers everything you need in one stylish, portable unit. Enjoy gourmet meals anytime, anywhere with the Aquaforno, the ultimate all-in-one cooking solution. The Domtic Go Hydration Water Faucet is an innovative portable solution designed to bring convenience and hygiene to your outdoor hydration needs. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or on a road trip, this water faucet transforms any setting into a functional hydration station. Made with premium materials and a thoughtful design, it's built to last and withstand the demands of rugged outdoor environments. This faucet has a powerful rechargeable lithium-ion battery capable of delivering up to 150 liters of water on a single charge, which can last for weeks depending on usage. It's easily rechargeable via USB, making it compatible with most power banks or vehicle chargers. This eliminates the hassle of constantly refilling smaller water bottles or finding a water source in remote areas. The faucet is engineered with touch control for easy water dispensing. A simple tap turns it on, and another tap turns it off, so it's intuitive and user-friendly. A unique feature is its water-saving design that dispenses water at an efficient flow rate, conserving water and preventing waste, which is particularly important when water sources are limited. Setup is quick and easy. The faucet connects seamlessly to most water containers using a Quick Connect magnetic base and is compatible with Domestic's hydration jugs and other water containers. This faucet not only works as a standalone, but also enhances the functionality of the Domtic hydration jug, turning it into a mobile water dispenser. Constructed with BPA-free materials, it's safe for drinking water, and the faucet design keeps the spout off the ground, avoiding contamination from dirt and debris. The lightweight and compact form factor also makes it easy to pack and carry, saving space and adding to the convenience of your travel gear. In short, the Domtic Go Hydration Water Faucet is a versatile, eco-friendly, and efficient way to manage water on the go, ensuring you have access to clean water wherever your adventures take you. In a world facing rapid environmental changes, rising sea levels, and increased natural disasters, the Exodus Ark concept emerges as a futuristic and essential solution for humanity's survival. Imagine a colossal floating structure, a sanctuary capable of supporting life in even the most extreme conditions. The Exodus Ark isn't just a vessel. It's a self-sustaining, floating ecosystem designed to operate autonomously on the open sea. Built with advanced materials to withstand powerful waves, harsh weather, and even the possibility of extreme isolation, it's envisioned as both a safe haven and a mobile habitat for humans, plants, and animals. Its architecture is modular, meaning it can expand or contract depending on the needs of its inhabitants or the environment around it. Central to the Ark's design are systems that prioritize sustainable living. Solar panels, wind turbines, and underwater turbines work together to generate renewable energy. Within the Ark, vertical farms produce food. Aquaponic systems integrate fish farming and hydroponics for continuous food production, and even waste is recycled back into the ecosystem to minimize resource depletion. Freshwater is generated from desalination systems, making seawater drinkable and available for all purposes within the Arkansas side. The Ark fosters a true sense of community with communal living spaces, workspaces, and recreation areas. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, it connects its inhabitants to the outside world, allowing for real-time communication with other arks or land-based centers. Advanced sensors continuously monitor the environment, ensuring safety and offering insights into how best to interact with the ocean environment. The Exodus Ark represents more than a temporary shelter. It's a legacy of adaptability and hope. It's a solution built for resilience, to endure for generations, providing a home on water that thrives sustainably even in the face of uncertain futures. Exodus Ark is a vision of perseverance and ingenuity, showing how humanity can not only survive but thrive with nature, even when surrounded by the vast expanse of the ocean. It's not just an ark, it's a beacon of hope for the future.